Welcome. We're here at the Halifax show today featuring our new lift and slide patio door that's behind me. This door will actually allow you to fill up any of your design wishes, any of those large walls, up to a maximum of 24 feet wide and 9 feet tall. And this particular door here behind me today is actually 12 feet wide by 8 feet tall. Will also allow you to fill any of those openings that you want to have all glass. Where the lift and slide terminology comes from is this lever actually will allow you to rise and lower the patio door. So with this now downwards, we're going to allow you to open the door and allow operation of one finger. This particular glass unit that slides is now 300 pounds, so I'm actually pushing it with one finger, as you see. And then as we close it up, we're now going to close it and lift the lever upwards, and you're going to see the unit drop down, and now it's locked in place and have better air tightness and water tightness with it in the upward position.